Hello guys, good morning everyone. Yeah, it's still IQ Investor. I want to use this very clip to navigate you guys on how to buy and sell on the Binance Sports trading platform. Okay, on my previous video, I talked basically on most of all these signs, figures, and entries you guys are seeing in Binance. I talked most of their roles and what they are being used for and what they are meant to be here for. So I talked more on most of them. So and I guess you guys have watched the video over and over and seen most of things they are meant to used for. So I'm quickly going to go to sports trading. Let me emphasize on it now this morning, and so you guys will know how to buy and exit your trade, how to place your trade and exit it on sports trading platform. So we're going to talk basically on it, just a simple buying and selling stuff of on Binance. So here we are currently is on our market, home. Once immediately you opens up your Binance, the first thing you will see is home. This is the home screen of like kind of the home page of your Binance app. So basically, I talked on most of all those things the other time I navigate about the whole thing on my previous video. Here is the 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 coin that has had major loose dump within the past 24 hours. You can see BEXE has dumped 16%, minus 16 point something percent. So that's what it is. So but when it comes to gainers, I just want to rehearse on the whole thing. I have talked all those things on my previous clip, but let me just try to put things in order again. Sorry. Here is the coin that have made a major move at the past 24 hours. PROM has made 132.5 something percent at the past 24 hours. So that's the whole thing. So no need of me, I don't need to stress more. So let's go straight to the points and the major thing we are here for. So let's go to market. Yeah, here we are now is basically on our spots. So we're going to talk basically on the spot trading. So I don't want to make this video lengthy so it will not consume most of your data. I want to make it brief and precise, so it'll be easy, like not be complaining about having a high MB and all that. So it will be very easy for you to download and watch at the end. So now this is so we're going to talk basically on futures, sports. We have several trading platforms on Binance. We have sports, futures, margin, and options. But basically, the one I dwell on is options, futures, and sport. But like I'm much more active on futures and sports. That's where I dwell mostly. So we're going to talk on it now. So let me just again point some certain things. All these figures you guys are seeing here, they are reason why they are here. All these figures, let me just circle you see very well. All these figures, there are some things, there means many things. It means a lot. So this stuff you are seeing here they are the major coins you can use to trade others. You can use to buy other coins in Binance trading platform. You get? So you can see BNB, you can see BTC, you can see altcoins, fiat, and ETF. So now let's say for instance you are trading with Bitcoin. Yet this is a Bitcoin page. So here we have Bitcoin / Ethereum. So Bitcoin is the base currency, Ethereum is the quote currency. So here now Bitcoin is the base currency, Dogecoin is the quote currency. So BTC is the base currency. So that's what it is. It means that we are using Bitcoin to buy Dogecoin because Bitcoin has a higher market cap, higher volatility, higher liquidity, and higher market rank. So we are using the higher one to buy the lower one and buy it in big and wait. When it pumps up, then you take your profits and go your way. So that's what all those things mean. So but if you are trading with BNB, this is a BNB page. You can BNB is now the base, Prom is the quote currency. So you can use the base to buy the quote currency because BNB has a higher value than Prom coin. So you use it to buy it and wait when it pumps up, then you sell. The same thing applies here. So here is the coins, alternative coins. Coins means any coin that's apart from bitcoins. It's not bitcoin. That is Ethereum. From Ethereum down, Ethereum is the is the father of all the coins, but Bitcoin is the grandfather of the whole cryptocurrency. So I think I have made mention of this thing before. So I just want to say, kind of stress more on it. So this is the fiat. Fiat means your local currencies. You can see even our own NGN. NGN should be here, I guess. Not I guess, it should be here. So see NGN here. This is NGN. So even you can still trade with NGN to other pays. So that's what it means. So this one. Sorry, this one is the USD Theta. This one is the Binance USD. This one is Australian dollar. This one is BRL dollar. This one is euro, kind of normal euro. This one is a Great Japanese, Great Britain pounds. That's what that one means. Great Britain pounds. So that's what it means. So also we have other ones here. Yet so this is it. You can still use to trade. It's all of them are being called fiat. So another name we can call them, most of them are still stable coins, like they don't change, their value is always fixed. So that's why most of people prefer using USD, BBUSD to trade, because their value always stable, like they are not highly volatile. When other coins are making noise, they kind of moving haphazardly, then other ones they are still calm and okay. Yeah, so that's why most of people like using trading with it. So okay, now let's use some Bitcoin to do analogy on how to buy and sell, kind of to explain to you guys on how to buy and sell a place you are buy order and exit it, and also sell order. Sorry. So now my security. So now okay, let's assume now we want to use a BTC to buy Ethereum. BTC is the base currency, remember that, and Ethereum is the core currency, remember it. So now let's go, let's tap on them. Okay, this is the level. Now you can see actually the coin is though it's consolidating currently. Yeah, it's consolidating currently. If we draw, there's something we call the trend line in the market. Let's assume this is our trend line. Is consolidating downward, meaning that the coin is a bit bearish, like it's going down. Another name for bearish is bearish means that when the coin started going down, it's dumping. You can call it dumping. But bullish is when it is going up, pumping. So that's the whole stuff. So now, because if you watch it, like throughout night, it was kind of going this thing bullish. So but now it's going bearish now. So you can see the whole stuff. That's the whole analogy. So you can see it. So but now quickly, let's assume we have made the whole analysis that this coin is the nice position to buy it, so you will make so that when it pumps, we do these things, we take our profits. Now it is dumping, so if you buy here, it's not bad because the stuff is already forming what we call double bottom. We can see it's forming something, and using this one to analyze it, it's trying to go up. So you can see it's pointing upward now, so probably it go up soon. So let's say we want to purchase the place this trade using buy BTC to buy Ethereum. Let's assume that now. Okay, we click on buy icon. Okay, when we click, we come here, we click on order. These are the several orders we have, so it is your choice to make. So these are the several orders, but I'm basically going to talk on these two because that's the major ones you need. That's the is the major ones you need to enter a trade and exit trade. So all those ones are okay, but just for knowledge sake, you don't use it for anything for now, you get. So I'm basically going to talk on limit and market, but on another video I will still stress on this one, but they are much more important. We don't need it now. I don't see the use of why should we be wasting our MB for now. So let's proceed. So now if you come here, this is limit order. If you want to use a limit order means that you don't want to buy at this current market price. You know, it said Ethereum is this thing $2,783 something dollars. That's the current price of it. Then you can see it in the liquidity form. So meaning that now we don't want to buy at this current price it is. So we want to place a lower price, that is a price that is lower than this one, so that when the coin dumps to that extent, then our Binance will automatically place our trade. It will be activated. So that now when it goes up, we now sell it. So now what we do is we come here, we reduce it with, let's say, 0.01. we want to buy it when it is 0.01. then we have placed it. Then this sign here is the percentage of your portfolio. Like if you want to use 25% of your capital, you click on it to buy it. If you want to use 50%, you click on it. If you want to use 7500, you click on it. But basically I used to use 100%. That is the whole of my capital to buy it, because in spot trading, the higher the capital, the higher your return. So now what we're going to do now is this. Okay, let's assume now the whole thing is okay. I don't have actually I'm using my student account. This is not my main account. I can't use it for the security purposes for me. So that's why you're seeing zero. My available distinct asset is 0 BTC. You can see it 0.0 something BTC. So this is not on gate, so you can't use it for anything. Then, but the essence of all this percentage is this. Maybe you see a two coin that is okay for you. You want to place the trade at the same time. So you can use 50% of your capital. That's the half of your capital to buy let's say for instance BTC Ethereum. Then use the remaining 50% to buy BTC BNB. So that's you have two trades at the same time placed. So that's the essence of all those things. So but for me, I always use 100%. Okay, let's say assuming we have made the whole thing and we want to buy at this current price. So at this price we have reduced it. You can see that the current price is 0.0511 something. This we want to buy lower, that is 0.011128, so that when it gets up to, let's say, 0.06 something 7, we cash out. So that's what it means. So now we click, assuming I have enough asset. If I click buy, it will buy. But you can see what it's saying now. Please enter a value, because I don't have much I don't have any fund here, assets here, portfolio to purchase the stuff. So guys, that is what is all about buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Buying, just simple buying and selling of a coin in a spot trading. That's the whole thing. Now I have just made it clear to you. This thing you see is just the normal price, a kind of the dumping rate, and this one is the pumping rate of the whole thing. So it's no any issues. At times, if you placed an order, if you click here, you will see most of your orders. You can see this is the ordered history. This is the open order. Here you are seeing now is the open, this is the open order. This is the ordered history. If we click here, you will see the whole history of the orders. So this guy I'm using his account to trade, has a trade that is going on currently. You can see this. He placed this trade already. You can see it, MBL BNB. So it's one of my student accounts that I'm using to navigate the whole things to you. You can see the guy has a trade currently going on. He have sold it. He said that when it get to this point, let it just sell. So that's what the person has done. So that's the whole thing all about buying and selling crypto currency on using via sports trading platform. That's what it is all about. Just a simple buying and